So my bank got bought out by another bank, and so they ended up sending me new checks because I guess they're getting new routing numbers or something. And they send me this one piece of cardboard that's all one piece. It says gently lift on it. That is supposed to turn into a cardboard box for these checks. And gently lift is the only instruction on this piece of shit. And like none of these tabs fit into one another really. And it's like a transformer or what? Am I an engineering major? This ain't effing MythBusters. I don't have a build team to put together this checkbox. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll admit it, I'm spatially clueless. I'm just supposed to kind of like make this into like a freaking rectangle and hope for the best. Just lay my checks in here and hope I never have to move it again. Glue it, tape it, like, I don't really even understand. So, clearly, as you can hear from the noise in the background, I have bigger things to worry about right now, but yeah, this is the joke. That is my checkbox. Thanks, North Trust Ravenswood Bank.